Hey everyone, I hope you're doing okay. Looks like we're going to have another wet, rainy week, which we've had a lot of recently. And that's fine, when it comes to wanting a nice green lawn, a perfect lawn. Rain is never a bad thing. But it kind of reminded me of something that I wanted to share with you that I've shared with you before, but it's a good reminder. I've talked about pre-emergent applications, talked about, your mowing, in the previous video I talked about mowing. And this rain kind of reminded me of this too. If you want the perfect lawn, if the perfect lawn is what you're after, nice, green, lush carpet, weed free, there are three aspects to having that you have to get right. There's three things involved with proper lawn care that you have to get right in order to get the perfect lawn. If you skip one of these things, get one of them wrong, you're not going to get the results you want. You're not going to have the perfect lawn. That's guaranteed. First, you have the applications. You got the pre-emergence. You got the all the fertilizers, all that kind of stuff. That's very important. Secondly, you have mowing, weekly mowing, mowing every single week at the right height. That's very, very important for a healthy lawn. And then third, you have watering properly, watering enough throughout the course of the year. All three of those things work hand in hand in order for you to have the perfect lawn. If you get one of those things wrong, like I said, you're not going to get the results you want. You might see improvements. You'll see improvements if you just treat your lawn, but you don't mow it properly or water it properly. But it's not ever going to be perfect. To have the perfect lawn, you have to get all three of those things right. So if that's what you're after, just remember that. A lot of people think that the magic formula is the applications, and that's just not right. You can't put applications down and then neglect watering or neglect mowing, and think that it's just gonna magically make your lawn look like the lawn of your dreams. So keep that in mind. If you haven't made plans to get all three of those things in order this year, make sure you do that and do it quick, because the season is upon us. We're about to get started with mowing. Our fertilizers are going down. All this stuff is going to be hitting us really quick with the way the weather's going. So hope that helps. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.